Larch trees are light green all summer and golden yellow in autumn. They stand out in a plantation of dark trees. Their wood makes good fence posts and telephone poles. Larch cones come from funny red flowers like mini pineapples that you can find on larch twigs in spring. Do you see? The needles on the Scots pine are much longer and shaggier than the larches. They are also more bristly. Scots pines have grown in Britain for 10,000 years, longer than almost any other tree. But you can often tell Scots pines by their pinky red trunks that glow in sunlight. The trees get quite round tops as they grow older. Pine wood is often made into planks for floors. You can find out how old this pine tree was when it was cut down if you count the rings on this stump. Trees add a ring of growth each year. Find a tree stump and count them. Here are needles that are shorter than the Scots pine and more prickly than larch. It's a Norway spruce. The neatly triangle-shaped Norway spruce is a Christmas tree, so you know already it is an evergreen. When you see big forests of dark trees planted on the hillsides, they will probably be spruce trees, planted as a crop to be cut down and used for paper making or building timber. Tree detectives need to look at the cone. Spruce cones are the ones that hang down and are this long cigar shape. Larch cones are little egg shapes, about the size of those mini Easter eggs that come in a packet. And Scots pine cones are pointed when young, then open out round to let out their seeds. If you are standing under a spruce tree and little bits of fir cone are dropping on your head, look up. You might catch sight of the red squirrel up there eating very messily. A mouse or a bird eating the cone would be more careful. You would not know it was there. This yew is evergreen and looks as if it has needles, but they are really narrow little leaves, as you can tell if you stroke them. They are quite soft and lie flat on either side of the twig, a bit like the herring or kipper's backbone if you have ever had one of these on your plate. Don't try to eat this yew, however. It is very poisonous, and those pretty berries are too, to us and to most animals, but not to birds. Because it is dense and grows slowly, yew is often used for hedges where it can be clipped into all sorts of shapes. The yew wood is strong and springy. It made the best bows to use with arrows, and English armies won wars because of their yew bows. These are just a few of the trees you might find near you. There are many other kinds in orchards and in parks, even in the street, and I hope you enjoy finding out about them. But there is still another reason why we need trees. Remember how trees gather their food through their leaves? In doing that, they give out a good gas, oxygen, that we all need, and they collect and store up a harmful gas, carbon dioxide, also known as CO2. Trees store up the carbon dioxide in their wood and their roots, and in doing this they are making the world a better place for us all. When we go among trees, we must enjoy them. When we cut down trees, we must plant more, because they are beautiful and useful and help the world to be a healthy place. Look after trees, and they will look after you.